If you mess up Florida LLC filing in 2026, you're out $325, and here's how to do it right. Here's the problem. Most people overpay by $150 and don't even know it. File online with the Florida Division of Corporations in under 20 minutes and save $100 on agent fees. Skip expedited filing. Standard processing takes 5 to 7 business days and costs $125 less than rush. Florida requires 3 filings to get your LLC running legally. The articles of organization cost $125. The registered agent runs $99 per year minimum. Then you need an EIN from the IRS, which is free but takes 2 to 3 weeks if you do it wrong. A real estate investor files their Florida LLC on January 15th, skips the registered agent, and gets hit with a $500 state penalty in March because they missed official mail. Here's what actually works. You file the articles, appoint a registered agent the same day, then get your EIN within 48 hours using the online IRS system. Total upfront cost is $224 if you use a low-cost agent. Most DIY filers miss the timing and pay double in penalties or refile fees. Most people fail here. They file the articles of organization for $125, celebrate, then forget the registered agent requirement. Florida law mandates you appoint an agent before you can legally operate. If you skip this step, the state sends compliance notices to an address you don't monitor. You miss the 30-day window. The state administratively dissolves your LLC. Now you're personally liable for business debts. The fix costs $600 to reinstate plus back fees. Do not do this. Appoint your registered agent the same day you file, or use a service that bundles both for $224 total. File your articles of organization online at dos.myflorida.com. The state filing fee is $125 in 2026, unchanged from last year. You'll need your LLC name, a Florida street address for your registered agent, and the names of all members or managers. Processing takes 5 to 7 business days for standard filing. Expedited 24-hour filing costs $250 extra, which you don't need unless you're closing a time-sensitive deal. The state emails your stamped articles as a PDF. Save 3 copies. 1 goes in your business records, 1 to your bank for the account setup, 1 to your accountant. Appoint a registered agent immediately after filing. This is important. Florida requires every LLC to maintain a registered agent with a physical Florida address. The agent receives legal notices, tax documents, and state compliance letters on your behalf. If you live in Florida, you can serve as your own agent for free, but you must be available at that address during business hours every weekday. If you're out of state or don't want your home address public, hire a registered agent service. Bastion Formations offers Florida registered agent service for $99 per year, and it's included in their $349 Florida LLC formation package. Most competitors charge $150 to $200 annually. Here's the problem with Florida LLC costs in 2026. You see $125 advertised everywhere as the total. That's only the state filing fee. Add $99 for the registered agent. Add $0 for the EIN if you file correctly, or $50 to $100 if you hire help. The real total is $224 minimum if you do it yourself, or $349 with Bastion Formations, where you get formation, registered agent, and EIN registration in one package with no hidden fees. Before you file, you're guessing the cost. After you use Bastion Formations, you know exactly what you paid and you have a working LLC in 3 to 5 business days. Get your EIN from the IRS the right way. Go to irs.gov/businesses/small-business-self-employed/apply-for-employer-identification-number-EIN-online. Click the link that says Apply Online now. You'll answer 12 questions about your LLC. Use the exact legal name from your Florida articles. For the responsible party, enter the member or manager listed on your state filing. The IRS issues your EIN instantly if you're a U.S. resident. If you're outside the U.S., you must fax Form SS-4 and wait 2 to 3 weeks. Bastion Formations handles EIN registration for international founders in 48 hours because they have a US-based process. Copy this exact sentence when the IRS asks for your business purpose: general commercial business activities including consulting, e-commerce, and investment holdings. That covers 90% of LLC use cases without triggering extra IRS questions. General commercial business activities including consulting, e-commerce, and investment holdings. File articles online for $125, takes 5 to 7 days. Appoint registered agent same day, $99 per year minimum. Get EIN from IRS free, or use Bastion Formations for $349 total. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for the complete Florida LLC package. Visit https://bastionformations.com.